Hello, my name's Georg. I'm the current project lead of Across Austria, and today I'm going to give you some insights in our manufacturing process. For our aircraft wings, we need XPS foam cores over which we later laminate, and for this we build ourselves a CNC hot wire cutter machine. We used to cut out our foam cores manually with a wooden template, but that usually didn't really work because the surface quality was really bad and the few good results we had weren't really reproducible. So we decided to build a CNC machine and quickly found online some inspiration for the design as well as open source firmware to run the machine. We even went so far to code our own slicer software, which is a program that just converts the XF files into G-code for the cutter. And yeah, the time and resources we spent really proved worth it so far because our production quality increased dramatically as well as our production speed, which helps us a lot when it comes to producing many prototypes to see what does work and what doesn't.